Well, I'm saying, what's taking him so long, you know? He came on board and said, you know, this government's all messed up, you know, I'm here, I'm going to solve the problem. Everything's going to change because we have a new governor. So make the changes. Put them out to the people. Don't scare them that you're going to make the changes without telling them what they are. This direction of, you know, press release, crisis, press release, crisis, press release, crisis. I mean, it's just not fair to the people.
I'm not here for threats, and again, maybe that's how things have been done in the past. These are things that weigh heavily on me.
Senator Pangilinan believes that the announced possibility of GovGuam layoffs is a scare tactic to get his way with the 2012 budget.
It's just to push the legislature to act one way that he wants without the benefit of having the information to make that decision. And that's not fair to the senators, that's not fair to the community, and that's not fair to the people.
Benita Manglotnya admits that the passage of Bill 257, which appropriated more money to DOE than the governor wanted, helped spur the need for reorganization.
You're increasing the DOE budget by the $11 million. That means that something has to give, so we have to look at other areas to reallocate that 11 million or 10 million that was taken away.
He's asking for $11 million in new positions. I say it's pretty simple. DOE needs the 11 to keep existing teachers in the classroom next year. He wants 11 million to bring on new employees. The choice was pretty simple for the legislature.
Governor Calvo, on the other hand, says his request is to fill critical positions that are needed by GovGuam.
I was just at the graduation ceremony for 12 new police trainees. There are also needs in the fire department. The permanent injunction itself, those are 100 positions based on a court order. So, you know, this is not padding. We have to, as we move forward, we have to look at critical positions that need to be filled in education, health, and safety. And then when we look at areas, when it goes to streamlining and reorganization, when we look at areas where there are redundancies and repetition, and maybe in also areas that are not critical education, health, and safety areas, we're going to have to do some, unfortunately, some downsizing.
Senator Pangilinan wants the governor to lay his plan out on the table and involve all stakeholders so that they can make the decisions necessary to right the government of Guam.
It's frustrating because we don't have the information. The legislature doesn't have the information, the public doesn't have the information, the government employee doesn't have the information, and really that's all we're waiting for.
I'm not here for brinksmanship with Senator Pangilinan. I'm here working with him, and this, where we're at right now today, is not just because of that 11 million. It is because of years and years of operations and practices in the management of government of Guam that got us to the point where we are now at $360 million in a hole in terms of a deficit, and where $280 million of that are tax refunds that are really the people's that we're holding off from them. And every day I have to get, and you know, that's my job. When I get a phone call and when I hear that someone has someone that's dying in their family and they want their tax refund from the year 2008, it pains me. It pains me. So this is something that has been building up for years, and it's important that, especially in these times, that it has to be corrected and rectified now.